They stress majority of individual because you will make a big difference. I promise. Tip number two. Make sure you spend several minutes quickly researching the company before you attend your interview. So immediately after I have finished this training tutorial, go to the company website. Have a look for the two things. Number one, have a look at their website and about us and take notes about what they actually do and looking their history because this will enable you to answer the interview questions. What can you tell us about the outcome? And number two, they have a quick look online at their products and services. What services do they offer, or which products do they sell? So when they ask you in the interview, why do you want to work for us? You can respond by saying this. I have looked at your products and services, and everything you do is carried out very high standard. I too have a high standard. I'm only want to work for the company has the same value as me based on my research. I generally believe I can build a long-term career. Tip number three. At the very start of your interview, the hiring manager will say to you, tell me about yourself. Now it's really important to know what you're going to say in response to the first interview questions. If you can give a great answer to the tell me about you